What's up, guys? It's Ashley here. This is the preview for the Turfentine Inside Track Thursday. Looks like quite a nice card. I found three favorites that I actually like that you can get 80 to 1 today if you take it. Obviously, the odds are going to shorten closer to race time, but it's in race 2, Terrace with Gavin Larena aboard. Race 3, Major Arcada with Muzieni aboard. Onto race 4, Miss River Dancer with Gavin Larena aboard as well. Yes, they are favorites, but if you're going to be putting R1,000 on it or R100 on it, you might get your 80 to 1, 70 to 1, and they're all favorites. I don't like to tip favorites, but I like these three. You can get money early, and we can smash it and have a good go there tomorrow and get some money for the weekend. Let's do this, guys. Come on.
Hi guys, this is the Punters Rabbit. Trust you all well. Hope we race at Turfentine tomorrow. Looks a good card. We go for a place strike again. Race 2, Samuel Sharp. Race 6, Faustinovo. Race 7, Bloomington. Race 9, Real Stunner. It looks like we have a ready-made pick 6 banker in race 5 in the form of Bjorn Einsight. Have a all-to-come place bet if you want. Have a place strike on the head. Have fun. Remember, in for a penny, in for a pound. Happy punting, guys.
Good afternoon to all the Glistian viewers out there. Michael Azov, Sport Fanatic. Today we're going to be previewing Thursday, the 19th of March, Turfentine Inside Track. Looks like a bit of a tough card, competitive. But guys, I'm going to do my best to point you in the right direction. Let's go on to my selections for the day. Race 4, number 11, Trip of Faith. Cabello Mazziniani, Robin Klaasen. Thought it was a good debut effort. Can really improve on that debut. I think he's a big runner. Move on to race 6, number 6, Foster Novo. Enjoys the inside track, ultra consistent type of horse. I think he can follow up from his good last win. Then we move on to race number 9, Carnello. Blaine Marks Jacobson takes 4 kilos off his back. Shayla Naidu trains. I think this horse is well weighted in this field. Some good value there. Boys, if you take the treble with these three horses, Trip of Faith, Foster Novo, Carnello, you're getting 119 to 1. Or you can mix it up with places as well. But I would suggest to take the treble, 119 to 1, soccershop.bet. Get your bets on, boys, and let's get out of it tomorrow. Cheers. God bless.
How's it, guys? It's our Turffontein midweek meeting on Turffontein Inside Track. It looks like quite a competitive card other than the obvious Bjorn Einsight. I'm just telling you guys, watch out for that horse. I'm not convinced about the 1450. I know he's bred for the distance, but he hasn't proven it yet. So hence I've decided to go for Jackpot 2, starting off in race 6. I'm going 3 horses. Ensuing, number 2. Number 5, Warning Light. This horse won on debut. This horse is super bred and will be in the feature races very soon. First time around the turn. That's why I'm including other horses. Together with number 6, Faustinovo. Race 7 is a field race for me, so I'm going field. Race 8, I'm going 2, Unsolved Riddle. 4, Brave Viking. 5, Lady Elliot. 7, Winds of Grace. And race 9, 2, Status. 3, We Are the Logans. 7, Carnello. 9, Union Rose. And 13, It's Now or Never. I'm pretty sure this Jackpot 2 is going to pay more than what we're going to spend here. It's going to be a 600 Rand spend, but it's going to be worth it. But Warning Light should be in your black book, and I hope you guys follow that horse going forward. Enjoy, guys. See you at the races.
Hi guys, Donnie here. We go again this week, tipping for Turffontein on the inside track for Thursday. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to start off with a nice win bet in race 3, Major Arcana, 16 to 10. If reproducing the previous run, should win this quite easily. My best bet comes up in race 4, Trip of Faith, 3 to 1. Very encouraging debut, and I think this horse is going to improve lengths and lengths on that run and should be very hard to beat in a weak field like this. My value bet comes up in race 6, Paul Revere, 5 to 1 from the Corey Lensley yard. Good draw,
And I think this horse is going to run a very, very big race here. My play for the day would be take Major Arcana for a win, Chipper Faith for a win, and Paul Revere for a place. That treble would get you about 17-1, and all three for wins at about 58-1. Cheers guys, I hope we can make some real bank here.